Hi, this is Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville, and wait.
Hey, Bonaparte.
What's happening?
What you doing?
What's going on
I'm
back
trying
there?
to stretch out my arms for this BERNINA Longarm promotion that Mom's been going on about.
Oh, Bonaparte. That's not what we mean by long arms.
Bonaparte's right. It is Longarm Month, and we are having a longarm sale. Now, let me tell you something. You can have long arms, you can have appropriately proportioned arms, or in some cases, you might not even need arms because there's automation, there's sit down, there's frames, there's no frames, there's short frames, there's long frames, there's pro frames. It is all on sale this month, baby. And it's on sale, and in some cases, you get a free BERNINA 475 Quilters Edition machine in a suitcase. So first of all, you better haul your cookies in here between now and May 31st to take advantage of these deals and maybe even get your hands on one of these frames. Now, you can come in anytime and try one of our frames. We've got one set up right here in the front of our store. And this happens to be our Q20 on the studio frame. We have it set up at the 5-foot length, but you can also get a 10-foot length. Now, we will also come to your house and set it up. We won't bring Bonaparte, and I promise not to make a video, but it's free delivery and setup, within a certain area. Unfortunately, we cannot drive to Hawaii to set up your machine. We'd love to, but it's not gonna happen. Oh, so there's some other things if you prefer to sit and not stand and you wanna just kind of spread out. The BERNINA Q16 on adjustable folding table, it's only $59.99. And you know that these machines are not just for quilting. You can do embroidery on them. They've got built-in BERNINA stitch regulation. You've got programmable foot control. You have all of the comforts of a big straight stitch sewing quilting system. And BERNINA even gives you a bobbin winder. That's right, you don't need that kid's science project as a bobbin winder with a BERNINA because it's right there and everything is ergonomically located, so it makes it super easy to use, especially if you have like those T-Rex arms and you can't reach to the back of the machine. Oh, another extra special offer is you can get a Q16 on the 10-foot studio frame for only $89.99. That's right. I know. So come on in. We've got some classes scheduled this month. We've got our long arm club. We've got all of those things. So all you have to do is hop on over to our BERNINA of Naperville website to see all of those happenings. And that's BERNINAofNaperville.com. And if you want to see some tutorials, have some sew-alongs, and just see what the store is all about, you can also check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Long arms optional.